The Muslim should divide his day into 4 portions, and 1 portion is for his livelihood, and 1 portion is for his family, and 1 portion is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and 1 portion is for himself or herself. And these portions is not 3/3, and then when I have time and I am tired and barely I can do my salah. This needs to be divided, and then my work has to be inside it for Allah. Taking care of my children and my family and my extended family is in it, is also for Allah. So these all turn to be act of worship. And the time free for myself to relax, to energize myself, this also has to be not necessarily only in an act of worship, but for sure should not be an act of haram, disobedience to Allah.